but it's apparently one of the most popular dishes here in Pakistan. It's good? Yes. And my friend said it's good. Good evening, everybody from Lahore, Pakistan. I hope you're having a phenomenal day. It's nighttime. Well, we're on the cusp of nighttime, actually, but it's dinner time, and I'm getting H-A-N-G-R-Y hangry. It's been a long day. Burned a lot of calories, checking out different areas around Lahore. What an amazing city. I also talked to a lot of locals while I was in Pakistan the past couple days, asking them what some of their favorite Pakistani foods were. And one of the most prevalent answers that people said was nihari. Never had nihari before. I understand if you don't know what it is, because I didn't know what it is either. As a matter of fact, I still don't think I quite understand what it is, but it's apparently one of the most popular dishes here in Pakistan. It's good? Yes. And my friend said it's good, just like all the other Pakistani people said. From what I understand, nihari is a stew, and it's so hot, the idea of putting a stew into my body seems like a terrible idea, but we're gonna push through. It's a stew. I think it's very thick, almost like a gravy, made with a different type of pepper, and then I think it can be made with like lamb, mutton, and maybe beef. But we're going to one of the restaurants that supposedly has some of the best nihari in all of Lahore, Pakistan. So I'm sure they're gonna have a menu with a lot of different options. Cannot wait to chow down on it. The pictures I saw of the nihari looked absolutely amazing, mouth-watering. More than anything, I need to get a bottle of water in me. I don't have a single H2O molecule left in me after today. It's all been sweated out into my shirt. Like I said, it's dinner time, and we're talking rush hour, baby. This is actually one of the least busy streets that I've walked on today, but still absolute pure chaos. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. He wanted his friend to be in the video, but his friend didn't seem too interested. Totally understand, totally understand. As the sun starts to set, you really see this kind of like haze in the air. I think a mix of that is from, Assalamu alaikum. I think a mix of that is from the pollution, from all the vehicles. I mean, the air right now is awful. Like, I feel like I'm gonna develop a cough right now. The air is so bad. This is the worst the air has been since I've been in Lahore. Maybe it's also because I'm in the old city and there's just a lot more traffic and stuff, and maybe industrial buildings as well. But the forecast, the weather also said there's a smoke advisory. So I don't know if there's some wildfires going on that are contributing to the very hazy, very not good to breathe air. But that doesn't matter. We're pushing through, baby. We've got about a 20-minute walk ahead of us. All right, we gotta cross the street, and it's looking dicey. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. All right, we're just gonna go, right? We're just gonna go. We're going, and we made it. They're running. No running for this guy. The rule about countries like this where there are no, crosswalks is that you don't want to get run over and they don't want to run you over, and so you're probably going to be pretty safe. Just look both ways. I feel like I'm some mom talking to her kid. Look both ways and just keep your head on a swivel. Pure chaos on the way to the restaurant. Just 10 minutes away now. Assalamu alaikum, brother.
Hello.
Oh, okay. Oh, is this street? No, I thought the street might have been closed, which would have been a good thing because we could have just cut through the traffic. There's got to be a zillion motorbikes, conservatively, in this city. Never seen so many motorbikes in my life. Wow. Very busy street here. We got some construction going on. We got stores selling really nice dresses, textiles, clothes. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, my friend's got some chai tea right there. Wow. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. So many friendly people. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah. Oh, wow. People lined up, so happy. Man. Oh, I wish I could stop and talk to a lot of these new friends so hungry, y'all. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Hello.
Welcome to Pakistan.
Thank you, my friend. Pakistan, amazing country.
Pakistan Zindabad.
I'm going to go eat nihari. Is it good?
Yes, right.
Nihari? There it is.
Yasin Nihari.
Okay, this is just pure insanity. Pure insanity. We gotta put the camera down for a second while we make our way to the restaurant so I don't get flipped. Yeah, I mean, I could have taken an Uber here, but that's no fun, right? We gotta be in the streets with the people, getting real dirty with it, getting grimy, because it rained today and these streets are just filthy. Every time a motorbike or a tuk-tuk drives past me, whoosh, my legs just get splattered in a thick layer of dirt. Oh my gosh, I hope it's dirt. There's definitely been a few times on this trip where I've gotten so caught up in the chaos and the awe of being here that I've totally missed the turn that I was supposed to take, which was the case this time. Tacked on an extra 6 or 7 minutes or so. Whatever. We are on a much quieter street, if you can call this quiet. Oh, but wow, so many bikes lined up, so many clothing stores. Rise Fabric. Ooh, the variety house. If you need a variety of clothing items, they got you. Really elegant, colorful, fancy outfits. This looks like something the Joker would wear. Oh, assalamu alaikum, my friend. We love Pakistan. All right, we have arrived at the famous Waris Nihari house. We got the family home. Wow, since 1960. Been in business over 60 years. That's incredible. Thank you, my friend. I couldn't quite tell where the restaurant was. Down the street is a very narrow alleyway, but my friend here came to show me. Ah, shukriya, shukriya. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Air conditioned. This feels like an absolute dream. It's so hot, so humid out there. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum, brother. Okay, so here's the menu. We've got the full plate of nihari, the simple, the basic one. There's also a special one. We've got the half plate of maghaz. Now, but my two nice friends that I met here from Pakistan told me that they got the nihari with brain. But you said the brain was pathetic? Was that the word?
Yeah, it's not good at all.
And this is
This is the naan.
Naan, okay. Not paratha. Naan.
Yeah.
How are you? Assalamu alaikum, my friends. What's your name?
Nai.
Nai? So nice to meet you, Nai. And your name?
Hamza.
Hamza. So nice to meet you. And you both are here from Lahore?
Yeah.
Excellent, excellent. These two guys were so nice. They helped me order. They told me what to get. And so I'm very thankful for how nice they are. Just like everybody in Pakistan has been so friendly and so nice to me. I'm from the United States, yes, but this is my 4th day in Pakistan. I'll be spending 30 days. Assalamu alaikum, brother.
In Lahore?
No, 30 days in Pakistan.
Where exactly?
So tomorrow I go to Islamabad, and then to Hamza Valley, through Gilgit, through Ferry Meadows, and through Karimabad, and then Karachi at the end. But I want to come back to Lahore. I really like it. I like the chaos. I like how busy it is. I want to spend more time.
Where are you staying here?
I'm in Gulberg. The Gulberg neighborhood, yeah, at a hotel over there. And but yeah, the time moves so fast here. There's so much I want to do. Today I went to the mosque.
The Badshahi Mosque?
Yes, and amazing. One of the just with the amazing
Did you visit the fort?
Yes, we went to the fort too, and some local Pakistanis that I met showed me around, and it was just incredible. So you didn't like the brain, but you're ordering new food, right?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay. Thank you so much, my friends. Let's wait for my half plate of biryani to Nihari. It's been a long day. Waiting for my half plate of nihari to arrive. I'll tell you how much it costs, the price, and everything, and all that. Can't wait to share how it tastes. I'm so hungry. And here it is. This is the nihari, the beef nihari. Oh, look at this stew. Look at that oil. It's like congealed on top there. And then we've got the naan. Wow, giant air bubbles. This feels crispy, it feels heavy. And then I think we've got a little bit of the green chilies here and some lemon. And I think we've got what might be some ginger there as well. Assalamu alaikum. Water, bottle of water. Thank you so much. I want this fragrant and tasty, so we're gonna squeeze in a bunch of that lemon. Yeah. We're gonna squeeze in a bunch. Wow, these are some tiny lemons. Squeeze in some more of that. I think we should just throw all this in. Am I crazy? Yeah, no, I'm crazy. Throw it all in. And no need for forks or knives where we're going. All right, here we go. Let's set it off with our first bite of nihari. Pull in a big piece of this crispy naan. We're just gonna go ahead and spread it all around the nihari. Oh, look at that oil come off. Look at that. Looks so thick, so rich. You can see the fat. We got to get those peppers on there too. All right, this is just the first bite. This is just about the sauce, boss baby. We're gonna go for the beef after. Wow, that was really good. Wow, so oily, so hearty, and really savory. The green chili, not super spicy, gives it just the right amount of kick. Okay, let's go grab, this big, juicy piece of beef right here. Just drip, drop, dripping, blown on it, so it doesn't go everywhere. Here we go, pow. Oh, God. There's that green chili. Oh, wow. So rich. It's so fatty, actually. I'm surprised about how fatty it is, but fatty in a good way. Like this, I'm ready to go lift weights, work out at the gym after crushing a meal like this. The naan itself, really nice, light, flaky, crispy on the outside. This naan has been cooked to perfection. They do it so well here in Pakistan. We're going in for more scoops of this. Wow, just the fat coming off that beef is insane. The naan does a really good job of soaking up all the broth as well, all the flavors. Pow. I'm in love with this dish. It's so good. The spiciness, the savoriness, the richness, amazing flavor. The naan brings it all together. That beef flavor, y'all, that was something unreal. Love a meal that you gotta eat with your hands too. Underrated eating with your hands, let me tell you. Okay, I'm pushing the camera just a little bit back so you can continue to see the spread in front of me. I don't want to get this juice all over. I'm gonna push this up a little bit closer. This is just an unreal bite. Love that they gave me some lemons to add in a nice little citrus element to it as well. And I think we finally got that little piece of ginger. I think it's ginger in there. It's incredible. It's such a good stew. It's definitely a dish you gotta try, and it's definitely a dish I would get again, no doubt about it. If they make like lamb nihari or something like that, I would devour that in an instant. Okay, another piece of naan, soaking it all up. I can't believe how incredible this dish is. I knew it was going to be good because so many Pakistani people told me it was their favorite, and they weren't playing around. They were not lying. Oh yeah, that's ginger. The things the Pakistanis do with their food here, the flavors, it's unprecedented. It's incredible. I've only been here 4 days, but I can easily say that the food here, it's the best I've ever had in the world. I'm not kidding you. It's not to downplay the food in any other country, but the Pakistani cuisine, it's just capital S special. My nice new Pakistani friends have actually educated me on what makes nihari so special. So this broth right here, first off, it's there's a mix of flavors in there, traditional Indian, Pakistani, Punjab spices, like masala, but also how the broth is made is they take a bunch of bones and stew them overnight, essentially boil them, and all the juice, all the flavor, all the fat that comes off those bones, it's mixed in with water and it becomes this incredibly tasty stew. And that's how it's made. This is almost like a bone broth, and then they add their own special blend of Pakistani spices and the beef and the ginger and the green chilies. And wow.
Waris Nihari.
All right, we've got a very special guest. This is Waris This is the owner of Waris Nihari. I'm here with the man, the myth, the legend. The restaurant's been in business for over 60 years. This is so delicious, so amazing, incredible. One of the best foods I've had in Pakistan. So good. Thank you. Shukriya, shukriya. Hello. Hello, Moon Khan. They're handing me the phone. Hello. Assalamu alaikum. I'm so good. How are you? I'm eating nihari for the first time, and it's so delicious. It's so good. I love it. It's amazing. It's one of the best foods I've had. I love it. Yes. I'm taking a video and I'm making it for YouTube, and I'm going to tell the world about the Waris Nihari, and hopefully more people from all over the world come here because this is so good. The chilies, the ginger, the broth, the naan, the beef. It was so delicious. Yes, I can't wait for you to see the video. Thank you for making food so amazing. Oh, thank you. Shukriya, shukriya. I'll hand the phone back. Wow, so nice. Wow, I don't know who they put me on the phone with. Moon Khan? Maybe that's his missus? I'm not sure. Wow, taking phone calls. I thought it might have been the president for a second. Okay, they brought me a special surprise. This is nali. This is the bone marrow. They asked me if I wanted some. How could I say no? They also offered me the brain, but like I said, my friend said the brain was kind of pathetic. So let's dig in close. Grab a piece. Oh my gosh, I love bone marrow so much, and I'm just gonna grab the biggest piece of bone marrow. I think I'm grabbing it. You've ever seen? Oh man, this is gonna be a flavor explosion. Come on. It's so good. It's so rich. It's so fatty. It's insane. Incredibly tender. Wow. I'm just gonna go eat the marrow by itself. Rich, buttery, so smooth. Yeah, the bone marrow, very tasty. The total cost of this nihari, a mind blower. 400 rupees, which is about, I need to confirm, I think that's $1.77. An absolute mega deal for that beef, for that flavor, and especially for a dish that took so much time to make. I mean, soaking the bones overnight, like, it's a labor of love, y'all. Some of the best stew I've ever had in my life. Would definitely crush it again. I'm so bummed I only have 30 days in Pakistan because I wish I had 90, because I know I could fill every day with so much fun and so much food. Wow. We're gonna go ahead and wrap up the video with that. Let's take one more look at it as we soak up just a little more of that juice. I got some more eating to do. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me for dinner. My name's Brent Timm from Waris Nihari, and I'm saying ciao for now.